What is light? So let's start with the definition of light. Light is made up of electromagnetic waves that radiate outward. Now the first part of that definition is electromagnetic. So let's break it down. Electromagnetic waves. What makes them unique? So unlike sound waves, which we talked about in our previous video, electromagnetic waves don't need a medium to travel through. That means they can move through air, solid, liquid, and even space. And so that's exactly how light from the sun reaches Earth. It travels through the vacuum of space. Electromagnetic waves are unique because they're a combination of electric and magnetic waves moving together as they move outward. The visible spectrum, what we can and can't see. Now, electromagnetic waves exist across a wide spectrum, but not all of it is visible to us. There's a huge range of electromagnetic energy out there, like radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, gamma rays, a lot of different waves, different forms of energy, but our eyes can only detect a small portion of these waves called the visible spectrum. Now, this is the range of wavelengths that we perceive as colors. When we talk about the color of an object, we're really talking about the wavelengths of light it reflects. So here's how it works. Every object either absorbs or reflects certain wavelengths of light. For example, an object that appears red absorbs all other colors of light and reflects red wavelengths back to our eyes. So this process depends on the object's molecular and atomic structure, which determines how it interacts with light. But for now, the key takeaway is this: the color we see is the wavelength of light that an object reflects. So, light is electromagnetic waves that radiate outward, and the colors we see are determined by the wavelengths of light that object reflects. There's a whole world of electromagnetic energy beyond what we can see, but the visible spectrum is where our everyday experience with light and color happens. So what questions do you have about how light works? Let us know and we'll dive deeper in future videos.